Hello everyone. Today I have a wonderful product which I've already used, um, which is actually a product from Blitzwolf. And the name of the product, I'm not sure if you can see it here, is the BW-BS3. Okay, so that is what this product is. And it is what looks like a selfie stick, but it's a very versatile device. So let's see what else is written on the packaging. So it has a wireless remote control, a tripod. It's made of aluminum. It's 360-degree rotation. It has a lithium polymer battery, and it's also a phone holder. So basically what this is if you like to shoot a lot of photographs or video on from your mobile phone, then this is a very good option which I have used before. So I like to store things in its original packaging. So let's see what we got, or what did I get in this box. So let me just empty the contents here. Pretty simple packaging, and when I received it, it came in this wrap. So uh, none of the contents were damaged in any way. So we get first of all, we see a flat USB cable. This is to charge the trigger there, by which you can control your mobile phone. We get a booklet. Okay, so it's called a user manual, and it gives you the various operational um, basic operation of how to use this particular device. And finally, we have this Blitzwolf BW-BS3, which looks like a selfie stand, but it actually isn't. It's a selfie stick. Plus, as you see these legs here, they will open up and form a mini tripod as well. Alright, so since I cannot have these operations with one hand, I'll just pause the video here. Okay, so I've extended it, though not completely. So as you can see, it looks like a normal selfie stick with a trigger here. Now the difference between a normal selfie stick and this one is, like I mentioned, it has some tripod like stand as well. But in this position, it looks almost like a selfie stick. Alright, so I've not extended it completely, but you get the idea. In addition to this, you can also have a remote trigger. So if you see here, let me get that to focus. Okay, so if you see that, see here, you have what's a trigger, but what's different about it is it has got a micro USB charging pin. So even if you don't use that cable there, you can use your normal Android charger and charge this particular device. So, and it has considerable battery life. So I've not charged this since the time I bought it in January. So if you keep this pressed, you'll see the light starts and it starts blinking. It's ready for being paired. You have to pair it with your phone, and then you can use it as a remote trigger. So it shows a picture of camera where you can take still photos. But if your mobile phone is in the mode of, say, video, then it pauses the video and continues the video, which is a very good feature. Let me just turn this off right now. Okay, so if you hold it for a couple of seconds, it turns on. If you hold it again for a couple of seconds, it turns off. It's usually found or placed right here on the selfie stick, so it doesn't look out of place. But yeah, when you pull it out, it can be used also when you, say, from a distance, and it works for about, I think, 10 to 15 meters, which is good for a group selfie or to remove a video as well. All right, now moving ahead, as you can see, you can just spread out the legs of this particular device, okay, or a tripod, and it actually works as a mini tripod for your phone as well. This head that you see here, this is what they call the rotation. So you can either have your phone in landscape mode. In fact, you can turn it all the way around, or in portrait mode. And the head here is completely, it moves right this way as well as this way, and its build quality is quite good, I must say. So I have used this on a few instances, and especially on some of my trips where I had to take a group selfie and I didn't want to be missed. So this is really a good device here. So let's mount a cell phone now. So the next you'll see me is mount a cell phone, and let's see how it works. The Bluetooth remote that we have here, how it works. All right, we'll check how that works. Okay, so the pairing procedure is very simple. You turn on the Bluetooth remote, and if you have paired any Bluetooth device, you'll see that it's now paired. It has got a steady blue light. Pairing procedure is very simple. All right, so this is how I have kept my phone. You can either keep it in portrait mode. Yes, we'll have to start up the camera. Okay, so you can either keep it in portrait mode, or shifting it to landscape mode is as simple as such. So yeah, very useful device. I know there may be cheaper things which are available in the market that can do this, but Blitzwolf as a brand, I feel has a lot of quality to it. So let me keep it in portrait mode to give you an example. So this is actually pointing outside my window. Okay, and say I'm standing at a distance. This will also work in selfie mode. So I just press the button and you heard it take a shot. So it has taken a photograph. Now if I want to quickly switch to landscape mode, I can do that here as well. And what you'll notice is that even though I have set up this tripod on my bed, it kind of like settles in quite easily. So that's one good thing, and it's very strongly built according to me. It's available for about 1000 to 1300 Indian rupees. That would come to about 15 US dollars or less, I guess. So I ordered this from Banggood, and I had got it for about 1000 rupees. But as I said, it hovers right from 1000 rupees to 1300 rupees. And it's a very good option. So I press the button again and it takes the photograph. There it took another photograph. We can do the same for video. So if you see, I've started the video. Alright, so on certain phones, the video doesn't work well. But on my Redmi device, as you know, this is my secondary phone. But on my Redmi device, when I switch it to video mode and I press it, it does the absolute same thing. I can't say that about this particular phone, so you'll have to check on your phone before doing this. But for that selfie, that group selfie, it's one of the most perfect devices that you can have. In addition to this, what I also do at times is I use this to mount my phone, when I'm shooting or taking a video of something on the table. So I can use that as well. And once it's all done, it's pretty compact. If you want to put it away, all right, or carry it with you when you're on a trip, it's very simple. You just turn off the remote by pressing it for a few seconds. What it says is that it's good for about 5000 photos. I'm not sure about that, but since I bought it, I have not charged it. So yeah, I guess you charge it once and maybe it lasts you for a couple of months. That is good as well. So to put it away, again, you put it in its holder, which is right here. And then you lift the tripod up and you press the legs, and that forms the handle of what would be the the selfie stick kind of. And since this is a one-handed motion, it would be a little difficult for me, but I'll try. So this is how it would become a selfie stick. I mean, it would go inside, and I'll have to just swivel this around and place this down there, and that's how you can carry it with you. It's that small, a little more than my palm. So you can drop it in your bag, carry it on your trips, and then you don't need, someone to hold your camera for you while you take your photographs. So I hope you liked, this quick review of this device. uh, some of the pros of this device: it's very, very well made. It has a good Bluetooth remote. It has worked for me for up to about 15 to 20 feet away from the device or from the phone, which is a good thing. It's made of really quality stuff. I mean, when you hold it, you don't feel that it is cheaply made. Neither does it have that weight that is, light to hold. In a good way, it's heavy. It has got this slight clicky feel after about 45 degrees or every 15 degrees when it turns, which is a good thing, so that it keeps the phone in certain angles, and it fits a lot of phones. So if you see, it can fit a 6-incher as well very easily. So that's about this selfie stick. I'm sure you liked it. If you did, you can order this from Banggood. I don't have any kind of affiliate link, neither is this a sponsored video. This is a very good device that I've used, and I thought about sharing it with you people. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs down.